Can you imagine what our workforce would be like if we had whole, confident, happy teachers who were showing up at the top of the day, ready to take on anything that came at them because they knew who their source was, right? And they were showing up every day feeling more empowered than they did the day before and more full of confidence in who they are and what they're called to do than ever before. And this is possible for us. This is our inheritance. This is what God designed for us in education. He sent us here and He wants to give us everything we need, including the right mindset for our day-to-day jobs. And this resetting process can happen in the moment of your classroom, right? This is not something that has to take years and years and years. You have all authority and all power to realign that mindset in your classroom. In the midst of feeling overwhelmed and vulnerable, you can make that decision and just change the course of your day from that one point.